Hello and welcome back. Thanks for tuning into this overview of reactive maintenance. In this video, we'll define reactive maintenance, describe the different types of reactive maintenance, explore some of the pros and cons of a reactive approach, compare reactive and preventive maintenance strategies. Reactive maintenance is the simplest, least strategic way to approach asset management. Reactive maintenance departments let assets run until they malfunction or break down completely. Only then do they call in maintenance for repairs or replacements. It's the maintenance program equivalent of saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. A good example of reactive maintenance in everyday life is the process of changing a light bulb. It's simple. The light bulb burns out, you take notice, and you replace it. In an industrial setting, reactive maintenance comes in several forms. Emergency maintenance takes place when a piece of equipment urgently needs repair or replacement to continue normal operations. Breakdown maintenance is another unplanned type of reactive maintenance, though it's not necessarily as urgent. Run-to-failure maintenance is a type of reactive maintenance that involves a little more planning. Assets are intentionally left in operation until they break down and require attention. This approach is only effective for pieces of equipment that can be quickly and easily repaired or replaced. As you can probably tell, reactive maintenance is rarely ideal, but it's not without its advantages. First, reactive maintenance requires little planning and doesn't present upfront costs. You'll also require fewer full-time employees to manage a reactive maintenance program. Those advantages tend to be outweighed by reactive maintenance's many drawbacks. Though you'll avoid many upfront expenses, reactive maintenance tends to prove expensive in the long term. A fully reactive maintenance program will mean an elevated risk of unexpected breakdowns, excess maintenance costs, performance issues, and workplace injuries. Is reactive maintenance ever enough? Yes, in some cases, a reactive approach to asset management is your most cost-effective option. Reactive maintenance is advisable when the cost of repairing an asset would exceed the cost of replacing it altogether. It's also often the best choice for non-critical equipment or assets that are reaching the end of their life cycle. Typically, a preventive maintenance program is more efficient and cost-effective than a reactive approach. With preventive maintenance programs, organizations manage their assets proactively and look for opportunities to address issues before they occur. With the help of asset monitoring solutions, maintenance teams create plans and schedules aimed at reducing unplanned downtime and its costs. Want to learn more about making the transition to preventive maintenance and reaping the benefits? Make sure to hit subscribe and visit limblecmms.com.